I've got this quarter cable impact driver I've had for a couple of years and love it. But just listen, I'm going to drive one of these screws. Okay, you hear how loud that is? Now I'm going to switch this out with my, sorry, it's one-handed changing this bit. I'm going to switch this out with my Ryobi. This is the, what is it, the Quiet Strike? Yeah, the Ryobi Quiet Strike. I won this, I think it was my first giveaway I won a couple years ago. And I really should use it more, but let's see how quiet it is. I didn't want to put my ear protection on, so I went ahead and switched to the Quiet Strike. Sorry the camera's everywhere, but it's not a professional setup. So here's the Quiet Strike. I don't even need ear protection with the Quiet Strike. So very happy with that. If you guys haven't checked that out, it's a great product and very quiet. That's the one reason I do like it. I always forget about it, but check it out if you haven't.